Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. Today is September 1, 2017 and papunta kami sa Davao Doctors Hospital kasi magpapacheck up kami kay Papa. Hi Papa!
Hello.
So we're here sa bandang SM because we needed to run some errands before going to the hospital. See you guys later!
When I had you there, and then I let you go. Now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. I can't live if living is without you.
I'm eating alakin. Papa, how are you? Kinunan siya ng dugo and x-ray. And here we are sa KFC for lunch, brunch. Yeah. Kanagit ba tayo? So we're done na guys and we're now going to the pharmacy to buy antibiotics kasi yun yung di ba, diagnosis ng doctor is everything's normal naman daw. Kanyang x-ray and his blood test are normal, so we're just going to buy him the antibiotics. So we're going home na guys and tapos na kami bumili ng kanyang antibiotics 3 tablets for 3 days, once a day. And how much is a tablet?
I don't know.
100 pesos each. Limitless.
Yeah.
So we're going home na. Hi guys, we're home na and ang mahal-mahal pala talaga ng antibiotics. Grabe. 3 tablets lang, 300 plus na nabayaran namin. Well, for the sake na lang na gumaling yung kanyang sakit, diba? We're so glad it's not pneumonia. Yun lang naman, walang ganap masyado sa vlog na ito, but again, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end this vlog right now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, my name is Yvonne, and until next time, bye!